Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down, take out batteries, and unlink any cables so no current runs through the board. Once done, move to a soft mat and collect a small parts tray, Phillips driver, plastic pry tool, cotton swabs, and 90% isopropyl alcohol. Test the alcohol on an inner shell edge to confirm paint softens, but plastic does not craze. If the sample softens paint safely, proceed to unscrew the shell. Make sure to note screw locations and keep button assemblies intact. With the shell open and buttons removed, set the PCB aside in an antistatic bag. You only need the bare plastic halves. Apply 90% isopropyl to a cotton swab and press on the painted area for 30 to 60 seconds so solvents penetrate the top coat. Then, using a plastic pick or toothpick, scrape lifted paint gently. Short, controlled strokes work best. For stubborn spots, repeat solvent application rather than increasing force. Once paint flakes off, use a fresh swab to wipe residue away. After paint removal, clean the shells with mild dish soap and warm water to remove solvent residue. Rinse and air dry completely for several hours. Reinstall rubber pads, buttons, and PCB, making sure each spring and screw returns to its original spot, then test every input. If buttons stick or plastic looks softened, stop immediately. Do not heat or apply acetone. Instead, replace the warped shell or order a replacement faceplate. One key troubleshooting tip: sticky input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.